and ye ba be di nkomo bebre Kojo me pese me ma manfo hu say ndi wo fi arum say fa no ma fa se kakra me na me hwa de fa no ma fa se kakra me to nyum ne kakra ma me na biti mo ma Kojo headset ma me I'm not saying I'll be lady Abu fuki tiki pia ba me sunti na ucha me halfway mo maybe 8k 47 no be peso Jimmy Duffo me boy me to pay say me na pa my antina sina ga me tini who I say yes o don't understand kai uti musa me ni wa be pay or me tete. Why am I feeling like I'm not safe? The love I gave you, I wanna tell you that it can never be replaced. Why am I feeling like I'm not safe? The love I gave you, I wanna tell you that it can never be replaced. I would get out the mommy no that's so shall me come. I gave you all my heart, my command sour tongue. If you see me rolling now, just send me come. I the power be the car. See my baby gone, these people wanna say some. Oh, you did the dirty work, but I was the apron, baby, by the Shiva. Yes, indeed. Katakyie 90.9 FM on Offieni Drive Show. Today, and Wednesday night midweek, so I say yes. And any Kojo Ana Edi Jumano, Cojo Rae, I said the Cojo Rae. Minimisa what's your voice in the one gas alone, and you now pay tea and I train my bonum the amount. And I remember Cojo Aquaba, Cojo answer every remuno. The more Aquaba catch your fans, Nina, listeners, Nina, and say, I'm on my YouTube, Katakyie FM TV, or also live. I'm on my Jumani boom. Okay, what's up, my people? What's here for? I said, okay, now, Cojo Rae, my live, ain't it? The person Munina Mushai or Katakyie TV, right? Yes, Katakyie FM TV. On YouTube, Charlie, Muram, near cell. More fire. Cojo Rae, I'm going there. I'm going to do more, Obadiana. Great. Share baby, Kevin, yeah, Cojo Mike in here, mammy. Share baby, but I think, another phrase that. Yes, yeah, 101 is say a war studio radio, yeah. Yes. Kojo the anyone is a Kojo, yeah, a superstar artist. Yes, me make us a superstar artist because Kojo Rae or your guest favorite and I say guest any checking over. So Mate. Kojo, the Adudona etie, the Adudona enimni se Kojo, Achuma boy, Kojo Achuma boy. But me musa say, I no krasa said the yetete se Kojo Achuma boy na yampa. Okay, actually, me you know Tanoso. Okay. Around 18, 19, me better. Okay. Currently, hona me mama me papa. Okay. School on carry. Okay. I just say, Achumanu de womb. Nice one. Kojo, because and then the first time I mean, who she has seen it. Mammy Musa say, music career and a chassis time being. Okay, Mr. T music, Bamo. Okay. That time, seminar. Men releasing you. Okay. A freestyles round bear. Okay. And I'm start releasing. Okay. Cause you know first track here in Yumbe. Don't need your love. Best song. My name is oh share music national. Na if you poppy ni mommy, no more funny saying. Okay, you answer you know Live Bible Church. Okay. Yeah. You trying to enter the secular music and hardness now. Okay.
Yeah, so me started what church. Yeah, now me boy instruments. Vibe. Later on, you say meet me rapping.
Okay.
So I feel like meet my rapping there. I'm starting rest studio and I'm starting rest studio and me did dim no more and I'm be do no more chima me ba any day.
Okay.
It's name.
Is it say hono o anya so de anka star na shine.
Ebi so aka me shine over. Ebi asa maybe aka me disophobia na on sa line. And there but anya ba ni sa.
Na
ebi
as of the day wo.
Oh yeah, me pass sorry pa, me you know Deeper Life Bible Church. Me obi ana me kwa sorry de bia.
Okay. Okay. But your music, music in him. For now, if we are talking about superstars in Ghana music industry, you are part. Ghana music industry, you know, how do you see it? Is it fair to you guys? It seems as a ebinumu didi, but ebinumu zunidi.
Okay. One thing about this industry is yes. Yeah, and there are a lot of people who music.
Okay.
So you have to be different. Yeah, because hip hop.
Yes.
Waba I must say hip hop here, but too medical, theater, Papi Kojo.
Okay.
Waba what sounded like them, it would be very difficult for you to penetrate. So I feel like just be yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, one thing I ever no. They be a medanya me as say me growth no. Me new be as a me be na boom.
Okay.
Started from 2022, me release ya woman the year and another could be some numbers. The following year my so I think I'm growing on bit by bit, and I believe say be do sropa and chibia on
sure.
God. Yeah.
Sure. On God.
Yeah.
Katakyiefm ye Cojo Rae Aketesia hitmaker. We are live on YouTube. Katakyiefm TV. Great. Katakyiefm TV. And ye was on YouTube. And to bet me I join in. Na ye di nkomo bebre wo hodom. Kojo, me no bedi nkomo ba me musa say I'm not safe.
Yeah.
Banesena unya sa.
I'm not safe there. Say answer uti enyom na nkasa na RTDC.
Okay.
But there also one nkasa uti enyom na start abufu kiti wa bi e ba me so nti na wo jame wa ko ha. Nti akwaye say woni oba relationship na woni obi relationship na bi akasa bi aba. Say na normal but uti mu so wa fa no ho adwen dada. Ko na me chem say mase me feel say me nyesi fa say mechiguo obi ya tamade na kobo no so menya na ansha me mafia no so I need her back. Yeah, but I'm fat story need there long because you know who inspires that song no so right now cry no so me say obi attract and anything because you call no so side cry no ma bebre yeah but yes I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that is unya bukna.
Minya bibisa ba na manya bi dada
ta
nti na we ni shada anya me ya on say utie me first song Don't Need Your Love na me can say man say ashime like ashime we no so I'm not safe in me chim say ashime but that time no obi edika trash me ni dada so me hu ni say normal nti from that time till now no me see bibia from say eno me bu is eba said the be show them me right now me no will be in a relationship na wo trash me ko me nyi news ma me wo kan no answer me to na me show any circles den ko for there me no ka do ye no ka there so I think my past experiences na they be me reflecting in my music. Yeah.
Okay. Kojo mami muza I'm not safe that particular music is there are some issues about on abeku sexy don't know. Yes, so seems as a we are no near day. And then the first time I know Asia on something like this, maybe I say clear my listeners in the viewers in there is it true say you know more plans some we album na wo fa chire be ye and I say abeku na na ente no ho ase wa wonyo.
Oh, sexy don't know there's one on nyumu. Or no a comedian or a content creator, a very good and a professional content creator. Oka music as a media or no the I don't think they encophone and agents I think so one say that video na say it wasn't BB na a year issue kesi bia mtiminim de BB and say me amenyo me na me choy Nti ebi a video no minim o share no hu ni say mesisi na na say o da bi nye bibisa ni see. It was just me and me cho me nyum ana ono so say any dey no promote so when you be bia menini so the sexy dey o MG
so
I me there so I don't BBI issue bia no anyum no me am there me and me cho bia me and me cho me nyum me bia so
and which man I say in that way no na sexy was he helping for the promotion and I say nkomodi e bi cross so abi a won pese obebie so me pese nem material for them viewers nyina
video no actually na video need to
okay
but e bi mo bu ha first one nko an mo hu the other one
okay
yeah that video was actually a prank
okay
until I started or kasa later on me bem but first video no na minim
okay
until obu a wo hu no nko hu other videos no
yes.
But in other ways on a boy because that was the first time maybe I did me. People be almost say that was the first time I'm doing me. Later I realized it wasn't, and it was just a prank. I mean, it's a movie, you know. Until we push part 2 now, we later come me back and say, "Oh boy," and a whole lot. So, problem being no car.
Okay. Kojo, is I think will be a journey here. I Katakyie 90.9 so I say
number 1.
I know there are people watching us from TikTok. Let them know Katakyiefm FM, your TV, your YouTube. I'm follow here, I'm subscribe.
Okay.
Say there be Debia Etnasia omubehu bibia ekosubia.
Yeah, T4 bia o show bia uti me bia Muhammad say Cojo Rae na make say. Currently, me work Katakyie FM. What I say, I'm joining my Katakyie FM TV on YouTube. You stream me live. Mon should mon joining. Mon making sure that they be able to what I say. Good music, good programs. Near my pankwan on the bedroom. What I say.
Great.
Me jinem live. Yes, oh.
Kojo, ebi afi no bi dey na video na to person who say indeed. Cojo Rae and Bigstar in the come be say o ma me be 1 minute freestyle bi. Raw freestyle bi na.
Dem say to an say he ada so.
Bibia ma me freestyle bi.
Ebi so wo nyum be on be say meto. And once anti.
Me person me listeners me viewers in say yes. Indeed. Cojo Rae and I know why. Ebi a nyum ya me de pa no. Say we anante o go say yes, I know now. Yes, I know now.
Okay, I say. Subainti say yem fancy. Semi pona ba enkaya kanifie. Wayene ni mufitan so na kumansin bidie. Afe yi wow. Wawa fidi I no go fi carry your matter go because I no be kaya you sankofa inchi and sumaye obidi I no go fi carry your matter go wasera no be kaya you sankofa inchi and sumaye obidi I inti na refi say hey me now friend me baby now name is Spliffy inti na refi say boy we ya now shany boss odo you mean wa I was little when I heard love is fake. I told my friends and told myself I never go date. I remember my mama used to tell me every day, say Aquarana would you, boy, you just a kid. Gangsta be street boy where I come from. No love, you're from Rihanna song, no love. But this girl told me she would die for me, she'd lie. What it tell me passa ain't now referee said. Hey, me now friend me baby. Now name is Spliffy. Ain't now referee said, boy we are. Now shiny boss although you mean it. I don't need your love, your loving, your loving. No more now I'm a big boy, yeah, big boy, yeah, big boy.
Nice one, Cojo Rae. No, maybe.
Now music.
Charlie Boy says Sammy. Charlie Boy says Sammy. Yet you could me because I'm a blessing. Missy Muswinty Madane mo burden.
Also I cut me so I'm still shining like Cojo Rae in a pam. Or done your mono me you champion. To my posse na me face Babylon. Every day me say some condom. Jadi cross me flow no she a tom. Yenye baku me no 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you done my fina mo fefe. Gen Z phone here come TikTok. I'm on dream. Tell you mo say mo you done. Mo you funny na me humo te say sexy don. Yenye pe. Me ni mono yenye pe. Yemu yena na me ye. Na so mo die yenye fe. Enye de. John boy senya che. Then it starts capping. Me yemu kudita Gen Z JJ. Why na no kate me na usi. Me tiri mo ye den te second TK. Na kuranti me trench.
Katakyiefm 90.9 FM.
Let me see your boy we. Usually you hard. Out in the baby. Na mama na vexi your boy we. Let me see your boy we. Usually you hard. Out in the baby. Na mama na vexi.
Yes, indeed. Kojo say mo hwe ni ye na sa boy we ho ha adwen. Bara azana na say ye de kojo pie. Oko baby, okoye show bi wani ji kojo hu na so betimi akobi araje say wo apomden pa. Erenti na de bia metena video so ya na mekam for community hospital de ma ho say apomden pa nyina fie ene wo honom yade bia tew so bia no mekam for community hospital e de amount. Sabi me se yesu ayi jimi nko a uyi free honom for community hospital de yade bia ye tu ase say ye ni yade num kankan yade sen yade ananse be ma wa bo da bridwo minua ba wo nsoso no himfi ono munye ohene ba ontimi nenden ho we de no na nneoma bi agugu ani ukasa kakra bi na omini masia Afro community hospital ho adanse ana metimi adidi a chew antenatal clinic here adwuma Mondays to Fridays, eye clinic here adwuma Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, dental clinic here adwuma Wednesdays and Saturdays, and fertility and gynecologist specialist clinic here adwuma every Tuesday, ear nose skin and throat specialist clinic here adwuma 24/7. They be ani they be ejinemu national health insurance, premium health insurance, Akɛtɛsia health insurance ejina na nan so pampe Afro community hospital yene ani nkura farm se ne din hwe animu ewo encarry Afro quantum point so friend was 0240 1765 0240 1765 na woni Afro community hospital entwetwe enkomo kojo mame nzamu akwa ba biem
yeje opinion
great mame musa we say ura music ni mu no as a young guy said you can we shall say emfa timi the track ni bi ba kumienu na ba ku bia ba be wuram. Was it a time unya abambo bi say chale is the emfa antino I mean baby for na me emfa me ni nchirana.
I think the kind of person I'm any the abambo the lasting because time be I should meet him say a dear media simenu say me no menya aka se master ten de me wie
okay
so me nimbi bit is abambo music obetima drop it they be ameka say good music
yes
it's me a floppy
yes
bad music it's me hate it obetima drop it obetima drop a bad song e befa obetima drop a bad song e beka obetima drop a good song obetima for better it's just about time and sometimes you might drop a good music at the wrong time.
Okay.
And I feel like and you say be I'm a drop you way na reception and I say start me say and yes I'm a cry and I feel like maybe it wasn't the time. Maybe it will get to a time people will come back to it. So I'm drop it for and that's what I do. And one boy me inform me into so I believe in say me be dropping you ma me wujidi o me say you way be but I'm consider me pen I'm just dropping because I'm be sometimes I feel like me album but yeah so album boot it's not my thing and each and every day bibi am drop bibi the numbers you know even say I'm consider me pen at least that number now benya because oh yeah at least people are listening there benya so I feel like and that's why I love my fans Charlie shouts to them almost say
cuz you dey motivate you our music fraternity nim.
Okay, then motivate me in Obi I'm looking up to no and I say
like genuinely as music you know yeah in fact said by now ebia you have your dream is a samre be a music in my and come through stage be say come prepare but yes still no ebia only dream but you are still pushing then motivate you.
I would say the people around me and my family.
Okay.
Yeah, the time I say my family, and say I feel like aside say music and your passion, I'm a person, you know. Yeah. It's also a business. So if I keep doing it, it will keep on paying me. And many baby so they are my fee, many baby they are sorty boys, many baby so they are what I say. That's one of the things that motivate me, and I love music.
Okay.
Yeah. Means sorry day without saying mean. Yeah, so I just love music. I feel like means jai music that there will never be a time. I don't think so. Me name the future and the whole but cemetery currently. I don't think so there will be there me jai music or I will feel like me cool it down. Now I need music each and every day and see the love for music now it keeping me going. Yeah.
Okay. Kojo mirasi utifie na utie ya obetimi de text message aba obia wani ji kojo ho ye bibia opese obisa no 0594212823 0594212823 kojo meba this new thing ya Ghana there for now and then I top edabia I'm talking about Aketesia. I can see say they all kinds your family and the people around you, they are all supporting. But Mr. Ampra is Mr. Voice.
Yeah, Mr. Voice. Last hero. Nidine Dawson.
Yes, last hero.
Yeah.
The way was he promoting Akɛtɛsia no. I want to know what's the relationship between Mumi, you know, say what time what bonus you get to be and I say or Donangazan.
Okay, last year I friend Mr. Ampra, friend Mr. Voice on Jimmy 1 CD Quadra.
Wow.
Yeah, and open more promote Akɛtɛsia pa last year Mr. Ampra account.
Okay.
Cause sometimes me on framing pool when you be a frame I mean didn't come on yeah friends but you need come on like frequently.
Okay.
But me I'm want say what tag me ibu call ya on tag me and one say a comment for na target and me call ibu 1,900,000 or so no like or vibe with it. Okay. Last year there nyame be share na pa cause onye obi call make say oye me day one and I say me were people around them so promoting me pa people like Obiaima, Sexy Don Don.
Yeah.
Me cause me body no be a major bill.
Yes.
A lot of people are promoting me, but one person I'm who say Charlie, utimi post video, make my video no more like 5 minutes, make my channel non-stop. I feel like wow, genuine love for me and genuine love for the song and shout to him last year when I meet up Mr. Voice no nyo kese.
Kojo video wa mi hu ya ma manage na me di busa o sa asemi obi bi o tie bi abetimi aba YouTube Katakyiefm FM TV na de wa ba be video no ewo ho no mo Karachi we ankasa no o de meba ma mi tie we hwade
Akɛtɛsia Zezede waya ngami ze mimfole so abe day Akɛtɛsia Zezede waya mama jena say ngami ze mimfole so abe day Uwaji mata when you see my boy say coming wasem. You see me Jimmy
yes me Jimmy ba me che santo. Uwaji ji amanisi aneto. Ho mache ya ne me ne wa na eko. Last asenyu mre me ne wa na edo. Mami ti be Cojo Rae Aketesia. Ayo so te.
Akɛtɛsia Zezede waya mama jena say Nanga me so afe day
meba na ya bidi nko bi wa hanu msei
Akɛtɛsia waya mama jena say freak who made it Baby, I Katakyie 90.9 FM DJ
she a fine baby. Say me shining in ma, na me come team sa, na me penny. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come papa nice, so you know what you with me. Wachi. Cause you mami soga. Babylon do. Because you mami soga. Akɛtɛsia. Say that why I'm a man, say. Naga me say me falling so I be a day. Already my time when you see my boy say come you was yes you imagine me oh and me oh Akɛtɛsia. Say that why I'm a man, say. Naga me say me falling so I feel a day. Already my time when you see my boy say come you was yes you imagine me oh. Yes, my yes, forget the son, I'm a book you tickets, and I'm over holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me go, myself, fortune him, some me worry, see Katakyiefm and Matasho. I say, for me go, myself, not fortune him, some me worry, see Katakyiefm and Matasho. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come papa nice, so be anybody winning. Wachi. Yeah, also watch your mommy sober. It's Babylon go. Because watch your mommy sober. Akɛtɛsia, yeah. Say now I am a man, say. I'm a falling, so I feel a day. Already my time when you see my boy say come you was it's imagine me oh and me oh Akɛtɛsia. Say that why I'm a man, say. Naga me say me falling so I feel a day.
Cojo,
Baba.
after I'm not safe. Ya ba be dura Akɛtɛsia. I say one aba be job boss wa. Boys he can home say me.
Or one side.
Oh,
One side. Yeah, also one side. And how is it?
Yamini abuafo.
Oh, I say that's one at.
Cojo, I mean, we say Akɛtɛsia ba ye koye nim so ho. We say music, you know, as to this far. Are you doing it just for fun or for the boys? And I say the music is paying.
Okay. Music and kasa there. Sikawum.
Okay.
Sikawum music mo pon, but style be see atoto nyoma and ebe mo nya say ska no. Yeah. Most up and coming artists like me, omo the fear to invest. I mean, say we are investing in the crafts no way. No bo okra okofa online beats no way. Yeah.
Yes.
Online beats no way just because we are okra band will be able to download it. But you have to pay a good producer, and the producer will be good. Okay. So the fact say utiminya bibi to aduane utiminya nyoma sort amade for guess na de na obet me when get a good producer. One song can change your life. So I didn't say I won't believe in the craft. So say me janaya say you have to invest. It means me nya bibi. Okay. Until America. Yeah, because me kwana me names music can make can help me reach this level. Me can say me do baby I'm talk car be and say yeah, but right now me nya she all I do is music. So I thought I met me because I say oh so TCC Ampono I feel like I'm not an A-list artist like the people I look up to. Yes. But I'm making something for myself, me baby sort of family. So what if say me many na me yeah? If I keep on doing this and I reach that level, I mean maybe I be fat. So right now the Nyame the last time I catch my boys and it's not like I don't mean any disrespect. Yes. But me for Trotsky a 2 years. Me can't say for Trotsky bad, but I'm just trying to cite an example. Say right now I'm in Tomika today be a Uber boots and ade. Baby do baby so me can say it's me for Uber crash you. I know so they say I'm a Chucky 7 no. Baby do baby so me can say me far for match you. Next me nam so ronko. Yeah, so that's how life is into. right now, woman, I really appreciate. Yeah, because minya misoni me be o kakra bi ade be o 10 in there about here. Deals are coming, shows and endorsements and a whole lot. Yeah, so I'm Adam. Yeah.
But you, as you are saying, is for now, no. Se fa tro ne ade meaning se Akɛtɛsia no de no mabao.
Oh, say ufa troska, it doesn't mean that you go no scabo ufa troski say in life bia, but I mean it in a way say
yeah
obi anywhere always say de bia obi fa troski ati say obi always say me nya na nka me so magime de so and Akɛtɛsia nyini sa o edi 1 month pay o
yeah
1 month pay yeah. So imagine 1 month pay no cry now look at the waves I make baby I prefer be social media baby and I'm still promoting it yeah, so we are hoping that by maybe ending of this year or maybe some months to come now you go to a different level and yeah so
Cojo, me call YouTuber a champion Isaac was a good job. More fire, Yamisha,
more fire. I'm joining my Katakyiefm TV. Yes. Of course, YouTube. Yeah, man. More fire.
Could you name my file?
Oh, Namiase. Yeah.
Cojo, you ever to come on us about Mammy Musa said, fans, no, baby, a bizarre for. Reference near there. Are you willing to do reference on Akɛtɛsia?
Okay, refix. I say refix and remix.
Okay. Me call it say remix and answer reference. Remix. Okay. Yes.
We are planning on BB sir. And also right now I open verse challenge.
Okay.
Guys baby killing.
Okay.
Yeah, me who guy be Adomba UBJ. Wakele pa guy bit say wishing was sell probably because me boy can me jabi wom
okay
yeah so remix no possible sana mitimaka possible yeah but because maybe I'm coming team my plan is I want to put this artist on later Caribbean another artist be so because one super hopping on or something.
Yes.
Yeah. That's why I'm trying my best to promote it. Okay. You promoting it, do baby we say we have to do a remix but I'm hoping say bank a bad guy because sana baby na I come social media. Yeah.
Yes. As you are hoping say bad guy, are you ready to consider the upcoming artists?
Of course.
Look up to some of the top artists.
Yeah, right now say the make an upcoming artist be killing.
Okay.
Yeah, so but you make us all form babigus.
Sure.
And definitely a Jumane numbers game. You will need someone bigger than you on it.
Yes.
But and also in say would be so maybe upcoming and I say few numbers and we're killing a bit me you and this but they should I mean no try my best to stand out. Because once bit me ye be not attached to the extent say but sometimes we bit may be attached but maybe for a remix it wouldn't really help because remix is supposed to take the song to another level. Yeah, because as people might be disappointed. They say, "Oh, you know, original near pay identity but so you pin verse no." And then I said me church was say I'll be to my killing and more reaction and people be use sound no more. We might put you on. Okay. So imagine say we be a open verse. And also the verse at so na ipa be 5,000 to 10,000 you should sound now. Why not? I say we can put the person on. So open verse challenge and also also. So yeah, I'm joining in sell. Yeah.
Okay. Cojo, you better one come on also. Meba, Junior Simi Humame. Working alone and featuring. I am not difference in it the same. Try me. Meba.
Sure, baby. Let me go on in me body count. Before say me sure, baby. she a fine baby. Say me shining in ma, na me come team Sadia na me penny. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come mama nice so be anybody with him. Wechi. Cause you chima me soga. Babylon do. Cause you chima me soga. Akɛtɛsia. Say now I am a man in a sign. I got me some falling, so I be a line.
Baby, I Katakyie 90.9 FM. DJ
Akɛtɛsia. Say now I am a man in a sign. I got me some falling, so I be a line. I'm making my time when you see my voice, come and watch them. You see my Jimmy, yes, my yes, my shishi. Forget the casa, barbecue ticket, and the movesa.
Yes, indeed. Katakyie 90.9 FM. 3 minutes past now the hour 5. On Fear Drive Show, President and 4. And then Yanni Cojo Rae Aketesia Cojo Rae. And I didn't come out of Fear say on Fear Drive Show. So, minimum years a while to fear would say as unto my Ghana, my titro at my mind. Yanni private say, Yedimua. Yedimua, let's support our owner. It was a Cojo dear, in fact, what the actual didn't actually Akɛtɛsia and you mean my mom for your guest episode the big guest the plane it has say and here is a crowd one international one say what the guest DJ Toski Cojo Toski Jinawe guess your program bia so what drop it now what ma you know kwa versus no say Lewis no kwa no say or the free guests and on I just want the free guests and we are live on YouTube. I am Katakyiefm TV on YouTube. We let me join here and I just say I didn't come up. Now baby I come but today is Wednesday. Or Fear Drive Show so the yenuya bra ye ba ye wo fast ye de nyina Cojo Rae atwuma ye de mu a ye ne na e din komo ye nka no ho ate ye mu a ye instrument na nwom no nya sika wuba no ne bo odene lofty to say lofty yes sa na ofre na wo mfa o so always what to kwen me frɛ na ye kwen me frɛ na ye kwen ei ehu
guess and it's no
guess and it's
no no Solomon of our time to guess no Hannes and I was over the tour so that we are offer na akate it's when you see us girlfriend pass offer beba love to me come friend na minya no
serious for no
or more
okay
actually that's the way you know jingo one who one was the mom and see
hey
I general so
and obi tia vichire na yes no people no so sa no
o men say no cross on at okoboniti ko adia tum afa baba
yes boys no mo de Aketesia no eje go forget ne ba ko na ewura mu international manager
godfather
eja won ho pa ska won ho pa
eso me kwa me kakra
o kwa abejo kakra so echi kura Cojo bibi very fine Cojo na be so asem doing music, you know, as someone we are now say we feature will be feature like collaboration, no, and the differences in it to say.
Okay, differences as in
say Akɛtɛsia say is one now yeah and as to say we are love to so artists and I want a feature I hear you mana ayana it is because my friend Chemu, I mean that new tune be eba enoba. Yes, with one Kwame great. Bibisa, nipa mi ensa. Mo come trouble my music. And he said nipa ba home kwa we music, you know. I had a difference in that to say.
Okay, I say music, you know. I can say right now, industry no collaborations in shutdown courses is a first because first when was the better time I Jesus no. And as around 2017 time I Kofi Mole Kusiata Twitch Kwame MP Kelvin Boy Family Bonnie Muchicho Muti na omo ye collaborations pa and so na boa cause my time be as uti winka who feel will be a vibe and ade ma collaboration ye de no more time se munye na mo connect na bia mo vibe ne fa more like JB ne Papi Kojo on se na omo chemistry ne fa pa artists bi te say Kosiata ni Kofi Mule mushia eboa bebre na ema wunya different vibes. What I say I say wakuti album na ebe wati Cojo Rae album. Na Cojo Rae so I say you keep hearing the same thing and nipa so dey ade ba akofo no because intimi ndi banko anopa banko area banko nyume so sometimes collaboration is very very important, but as an artist if you listen also to me drop a single say because it shows how powerful you are. Yeah, so by no chance say you shouldn't collaboration kwema game no mu yede and it be kwema other people because I say a numbers game obi to make sure obi a one numbers no and then I collabo then boom so boy yeah
Kojo me be so utie nwum bi ana me bi so asem bi e wo ho.
Okay, sure.
Black and dark. They ma come in na pano, kame ya wano. Chira me say o kame ho e hai ni esum. Dark and to in that form I say a phone no. But jam si kweme na me tin is your them. I really love they. I gave you everything, girl. Come home when you na me ni na me pede ma odasa when you want to tea am na to me too. Na me fra o best that you were different from the rest. They ma come in na mano, kame ya wano. Chira me say o kame ho e hai ni esum. Dark and to in that form I say a phone no. But jam si kweme na me tin is your them. Ma come in na mano, kame ya wano. Chira me say o kame ho e hai ni esum. Dark and to in that form I say a phone no. But jam si kweme na me tin is your them.
It was just a fight. Baby, I Katakyie 90.9 FM DJ
Wabasu when you hypo timenya the size oh bro naname it's we are sure say be okay so I gonna to any so cross ambre now time ya mama you lonely jima kumenyi na mano kame ya wano chame so kame ho hai ni esumu oda kwancho yana form say a phone no pejame sikwanso oda ya wana u break.
Yes indeed it was makuma no Kojo upodo onyumpa upodo pa on upodo pa
me pe say odo di ntwam da na me boa. Okay, yeah, so o say odo bi o ha bi ado na me boa
nya ado se go fuma ko no enya ado se go fuma ko do
odo say odo yo mu times be brave. And one thing about me is I just tell me I'm spread the love. I feel like we are saying we are here to spread love, just show love who be to any man on any vibe on. And my time any panel or cry because you might not know what the bit may see the next moment or something. So we just spread love, yeah. But me and your love songs on Kwana me dropping me other songs or like 1 in a Billion feature Baba Tunde about hustle, trap more a song with J Bad and Strong Man. So Akɛtɛsia idea or mini Kwesia Mewuga release beginning of this this year you release Olija. Yeah, no, so for the streets and all that. But I feel like me release love songs and people really love that. So and music and all. Nibia said make an akɔisi business now. Musi we no mupe kokonte. So ya no akɔ no fried rice amom. Ebe oka. Okay. So be no so nche say woman ye the frafraba. The love vibe in the mom. Great.
We are live on Katakyie FM TV on YouTube. Katakyie FM TV on YouTube. Samsung and Facebook. Katakyie FM TV. Joining live. Yes, and ne Cojo Rae ana edin komo acidic Cojo Rae the Aketesia man. I'm not saved man. Me angaza metia say I'm not saved because depend about the 3% there. Ye sorry ya wokopa me edi mi fufu. And then so enye regular mama. Internet just fufu no. Ye nyani. But nyame adom on Saturday ye nyina ye ko enebehi Daddy Lumba Candle Night ye ko to so Sansona Gateway Gardens and Eating Place and so say bra ye medidi ye mesan kwan ye mebodo mpem na che se bibia nko so kama pa fama aduane bia opebia no ubenya bia di e wo honom wono so say Saturday Daddy Lumba 1 week no ye de be hye so wo ntini Saturday ya atwuma baby enye fedi agro kra MC Bismarck Flow e was sansana DJ Toski was DJ Medical enso so e was dress code no e black yem fan hye so na bibia anya fan dwuma de bia wudi bia se opa aduane se ma frɛ o 0557 632533 0557 632533 and I say 0596 49 1118 0596 49 1118 now the Gateway Gardens and Eating Place and church and Lismatic shop your body no ever tosso and my friend body never tosso your body no redeem any ever tosso now you shamwa a Lismatic shop a buakwa yene police station dadano ana edi enje ni mu body lotion and craning penifo na perfume deodorant ni roll on anybody splash ni na a Lismatic shop 0208161032 0208161032 now on a Lismatic shop and chichi enkomo ye be sifie ye be bi adwuma ye be hia blocks ye be hia anwea e Charles Time Company emem ye ne so me junction na di nhwe ni mem kro na so ne Star Oil filling station e di nhwe ni mu atwuma na be hi ye wo kire ya se kwano so 051 0541 03 3659 0541033659 now on the Charles Time Company and church and Komo Kojo Mami Samo akwa babie yes bibiasia aya na ye wonamfo bi ne people around us I know mu di dwuma ni nyina I know say o share music na se no with friend of Sexy Mo Kobe I mind more Ray more. You guys were so cool. And Mr. Ni, yes.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm Mr. Ni Suna. Mene Cojo Rae Ebenya Yonkufa. Besi ne ya. I say a new mapeke. Yes, a peke. Come na to bro for was a Jerry dada. A new magic. Relationship or not that sort of thing. Cause it looks like said the first and now music collaborating is say and cause I be.
Okay, I think we are saying nipa you grow.
Yes.
Yeah. So and it's not like say boys in intermatity there be. I say the more no winning new plans, new people. BBS
okay.
And I need be Montias because some people feel like you know a media but and see on team come framing a whole lot.
Yeah.
Maybe first now we need no. The people around that maybe or more on your be a business or something, they were like 3 to 4, but right now level not be independent journal.
Okay.
It's meeting other people so schedules baby on your baby also here.
Yes.
But I not just with trouble, definitely mushi amudin come more have fun, but and yet is a first no.
Yes.
So I'm accept because there are a lot of people I mean almost start here right now they are bigger and richer than me or my Akɛtɛsia will sky BBS me.
Okay.
But me fan to me team is or a media and I didn't Nancy said in a minute first and there be anti sad that the more now you know your my baby as I beat me could pay and the boys in a bit patas a bit tanos a bit patas a bit cry.
Sure.
Because a Jumana in a number, Breno so in a belling care, opinion a hustle nani and no mono. But I don't think say BBR or say in say boys and Toro Mushi skates and by any DBR and also Torakwa we was set for frost we saw so yeah relationship and that's all.
Because you're working with strong man mo Kusia Mavugamo or star no anyone also star na. Juma no na net is na yedin.
Oh, me can say thing because me say me obi a na me rapper. Rapper so dey so be my beats, be my kiti, be my dance so be bekele so me transition ba singing and raga vibe no. Me aboa me bebre. Tell me identity. As an artist, do what style, but not just say you should always be with one beat and answer one style. Beat my you be feel like and you will minya be a Kokodalens or so and minya YP was so sana yet. So sometimes maybe mena kwaminati this you rest studio one of vibe and buy near but I bought to me and I'm garden me and I'm sending you know Darlington no YP and also the same thing. Maybe I said me feel say on me Darlington also and yeah, so enya de bia because the Bruce bia I mean talent no you just have to keep on I mean learn and practice
Ghana how you way do you have any artists that will look up to you say I have my own style but baby am koi say me rich baby any pay do and say me hit target said e be a shatawale duru said e Cojo cancer dura I will be okay. Do you have any artists that will look up to like that?
Okay, music na me you know maybe I meet you be but one thing one person I me looking up to or inspire me hear music like me many G music on Katakyiefm but now we say the level I want to reach so when you are looking up to someone you either pray to be like the person or more than the person be anyhow be dreaming so be lesser than maybe an idol maybe more like no and I say bigger than that so I just want to be remembered whether I'm still alive or I'm gone. Okay. So me nyame my nkwa bebre na omwa yeni so yenyi ni chede but semre no so na sebi yenti Cojo Rae nka bi ma. I just want people to remember what I came to do. Tina I always do music I be inspiring for them to I mean remember you and remember when someone say bit makai or bani did morning I just want to leave a good name. Yeah. So I'm person me.
But you because mommy ni popi atwuma are you planning say I'm an artist say my superstar atwuma whether homecoming whether atwuma concert or something are you planning something like that
homecoming homecoming na planning this year ba say momo ne odogu for na momo na go through streets no wa anti boro for no yake kan adwibo na possible you bit my plan BB nice also your event places be brave yes you bit my BB massive na machuma nyina ya ba ni aba be have fun I mean around it be a Christmas yeah you go so I plan o dey abetu me there me try to na e dey aka plans no na ya hwe na yeah, BB found. Yes.
Cojo, what idea on Cosa? Me say, what of for listeners, who lovers, and atchuma for everything me know, Eddie and Como. Tipen, abrati ya or 2 inch, opawasem ye pa. Yes, abrati or 2 inch.
The first TikTok probably be things DJ Access Nibi, that was 26 July, but the Akɛtɛsia that
so
yeah, my son me depa did not say senior my about there but just soon nangasadia and then papa no na me yo kese
and that's where that over adwuma tempa
the superstar about to be start but you boom that you suma ngasa atuma ina suma kese the best and said ranman kwatenti
great
na nyansa na adomo muro so said ye ya modi yin papa kasem there with the pa no kumu DJ nyina no I think sergeant to for nya sata inu mafapa but see nipa ba gini di keke ya me play nche ya de bi obaji di power tina bi no ya mfa di mboni anka no anko kwekwe ne ba bitire wo papa kwasi ampa inu ba no ye widi ni one way to be kai will be near the body the kai no that's no can I am the pa into your radisha no then I dream pa oh hona se wuti ya ya mejeshu e dan ko be ja no hako mo ba fu cry kiki panya konfo ba obotu botum ene no waja no ha ni ba dan no de beko into ye ja di power
okay
abra mo ne mo ai e ko jo nyami sha
amen
mas se radima no katenti ni papa mo ni mu suma no wo ni mu te se suma de ko atuma nyina ho ho nyina ta na ti yesu ta na ti gidi pa amen ye be tata ne ba bia
ye be tata
last form ni ne be tata ye push ne wade ye ade pasu fi ye
yes
e me ka che ni fie fo se we die nko ade o mo mo ano mo mo fa nkura se se ne ko yo boy pia na o mo ni aka kurukuruku pe na kana to atune ye wo tra Caterpillar ye be fa so e se ba bona ye kese suma no kosoro because do ko ko do be fly o
nice one
be fly
nice one 0594212823 0594212823 0594212823 Cojo Rae wa hanum sei frɛ na yeni nkomo ede na apese ubisa no Aketesia ya ba dia jenko for guest so dia chibi guest biso dia gie de Kevin gina we say ya chene de Toski debia o jenko for de What's it saying? 0594212823 0594212823 Kojo Obi se mo ba fofora bibia yeku afi hit na baba kumienu e frɛ kra mo mfa e frɛ bia mo e busy e testimony mo reply eno no aya na ye adwuma mu busy anase gaga anase de
ano de what the me example anase de cause me confused kakra
like artist so
like blue
very blue na I love today is a farmer no say
love today now why am so no credit I have my soap. Okay. Hey, they say they on me with you. Share. Lofty. The dear one only dear you know that busy with him. Mimi young word my bat and share. Yes. So you do go and put me on that and to cook my man. But I feel like sir you know more canon me I say Nippon hold you man away. Yeah. Ebia Nippon time I hitting up Caribbean Dibia. That maybe over 1,000 followers and I say 2,000. But right now, the DMs my baby, ko check page, I very fresh, be a big account. Say, just say, Nipa baby, demand baby near Bansi. Say, Uncle, yes, be open, and when you be obeying a bad thing. Because make a minimum conform, me try to reach your mom, me no more. But me tell you, man, I think you feel me, baby, you know, be an amino with Debbie, and since I would see a Jumana Sudu level be a normal cry. So, me first not Minyam be saying, and not if you may send me your mouth be our was listening, and I say, now, as a one your mammy, and I say, Mituana. We say we are mafia and men so me do so no me mafia member our season. But me do one of me Tally, and fault square, because pressure no doors. Inti, all tries our reaching on, who's will be so person reaching on. Yes. And young one person reaching into, I think, say, who pass it through the right channel. Yeah, what I say, because it be a time, one only dear grow, a be a JHS and you be a crown of pearls, or being also a bedding, because it's what this car. Ajiska. Yo, she say, oh, room kakra. Sanet TNT. And your life, and you panic, by your uncle football be a boy in the suit. There are some people who are but me, dear, I don't think so. Me, dear, me more love for Obia. Me, Obia. This fame thing, me, when is a gift. I mean, the amount of cases of Jefferson will be to my Jefferson. So you have to, the entry of the mound, I mean, you be a bet you say you are using it the right way. So, me, you because, I mean, I'm a woman, team say, people know me, who share my pie, me, man, she me, team say, me say, me, any party so be so, I feel like sometimes we go a soup, but I know, some people are. As we share now, the responsibilities and the bed also. Yeah, you do baby crown. Obi on your family cover or baba than no responsibility. I was so you know, maybe man. It's a press on one thing. Any panos went to me in Casa. Was the enemy a bit more say, oh, why, boy, much be to beat me through. Fancy, oh, to me fair. Hello, what you could you rainy? Oh, boy, I walk for a minimum mention. Oh, when you be a war with Trana, and I do 2 hours the wedding in our frame. Oh, my name is Gabby Quara, how now, missing more number of some boy and in Bezenka 2 new song on that. Oh, when I fancy Nibia to when Yam would say, Albacas in be a bay, be any panos or Pawasam or Pawasam to know, yes, I be out not the right time, no, yes, auntie, who the answer because Yeah, dear Sam, I mean, that I cry into the watching on there. Okay, tell you, and anyway, you know, back one and your life. And I still see a Juman, yes, I was always your son, your money, and I said, the bear will be in Casabia, what you see now.
Could you almost say, why a fruit show cry? Yin young. I want answer lofty, yes, I
may boy the nothing.
They say you almost say price no cost.
Oh, no lie, Ada. So the only be other.
Say, be a member, dear, what the enemy, you know, for a while, who call a low cost. So I
need your own watch all of them. I see a bum crammet my barber bomb on. And should I knew Musa? Oh, yeah, at least. Those are Jumanum, yeah, Baby entertaining fans, no, so where they was a BB flew by any BB, be a said Okana, the Otsen and the be any pana the zeros, but the zeros in Biak account, and the Otsena, sanity. And I in a cast a lot, only you chat is my own.
Oh, chat is my
own. Oh, a bit chatty, only a quan with Janan. I'm not a coy, I a criminal to be the black, yeah.
Oh, zero.
David, so Sarah over family. The pure this years on chain.
Martin, could you going forward? You know, it will be 4 months that I name to Christmas. Other songs on my the Bible tune, and I say trying to see 2026. Okay,
and you mean the brio, and say Nameka Aketesia drop in for 1 month, any few weeks, and I'm better so. You be releasing more songs. Also, now we say better remix and as so you go so a young wagement in case ever baswa that will be the next project. But some baswa a better PBB and say X Maximum. And features and also cause so many Black and Old Makoma the old boy currently now and you see a new song out on all platforms. Many Kwame artists to 31st. Inuba so features and by Baba ever drop PBB for December. Yeah.
Sanyo no. Where from that Inuba? Inuba
is a common art to until I'm watching a bit. When I did that time in the bar, I say Inuba Obana Mamati Odas Inubana yes I'm Mama Folly. So yeah. Okasa about a baby Okusiano. Yeah. I'm somebody me verse too, so a very nice song, classic song. We're dropping on the 31st, so yeah, I'm gonna watch out.
Could you enter Yebeko? I'm checking lines in a mama water course and I burn to me. Ghana,
okay.
Oh, artists be out. Yana giddy plus a signing poet, me Yanachana, and a baby.
When they see me, sir, me pay. Pesiata Sakwa Stone Boy Manifest Kim Promise Kidi Kwame Eugene Kofi Kenata Family Kim Paluta Sister Efia Samini Daddy Kabaka Daddy Lumba. I'm gonna see. Yeah. Minyo Bia, listen to everyone because the fact say you are doing good music and people are listening to you. Me say BB home so Mitio Bia, but and you be Akɛtɛsia de Minya Family na Kim Paluta na Kofi Kenata.
Okay.
Anybody pa Sanko for me and so we pa de Kenata Family Kim Paluta. Come anybody you
Wapuchi.
Oh, me go so me di hujuma but and so just a maintenance or be a mammy na do minya me peba. Miss me go so me promote and yes I kwasanki my idea in she and din command bibisa but he promotion so ebia make yourself by now the automatic cause my mommy go for na target or more tata or more but yeah, in your mummy and saying not a so crack a magic.
There's a music now that do baby. I was all tata.
Oh, yeah. Also, we knew be attention. And you can make poor movies.
Okay.
You probably bring a pay. Into bits of baby, into your mobile Monty could you read your money verse man or money, but any easy.
Yes.
Your other people almost hear good music, almost pay on Monty. So also, the inky cum. You know, your mother tata me, my mention your crow, maybe I could see. Wow, a nice song or contact to an effect. See a bonfire, a basso man, Bejapan. Yeah.
Kojo, I said, what about Daddy Lumba in there? I saw your artist, not a legend, say, Otis said, no. How did you take it?
Oh, me, many anji sa, cause or a legend or you'll be a Missa Daddy Lumba, you'll be a unti in your crowd, Betty. So the make an one upper mention, your bonnet has a 12 bit matter. So, Obia, every musician in you look up to, and it's quite unfortunate, say we see, but Yankopon soon named the entire Tones affair, no, Yaman can say, you want chichi in your but it's here we intimate and feel like the medical kind, the legacy is still alive, do or but Nidi and a sotiasi, and then in the body the lumba, be him say yes. Man, no, or Bob Brancas, I'll be ye be my Ghana music industry. Even why inspire your generation, you know, from yen anonymous to yen anonymous, you offer send them to like Ubia and Oyubia, me bonny dimbi. I feel like, hey, to me, yes, a papa, we are coming better pie, and I pray, say, Yamen Boamina, mean you on a quite a what, but yeah, you be you. Yes.
Kojo, dear. Emma, maybe so say, as you were saying, is Kimpaluta and family Kufikinata, right? Okay. Unyamu, Remison, Akumana, Anka,
Akɛtɛsia.
Dear, yet, and say, Seu Basia, Ayana, Ope collaboration, and I say featuring. Our top artists in the viewer, because even there are some people out there, Mangata Club, who say, oh, Obada Ben, you know, the followers saying, if you know, I say, our tiny and my young to be a music industry. What be Roma is what be you know, in the case when you can swatana. One whom be visa.
Okay, me personally, dear, me be sad at dear. It's a big artist, and me parts in it, dear. Me, I will just play my part. See, be a collaboration. Nipa nature say, be a maybe a all contacting Nipan Unyano and answer more reply or something. And you can feel bad. Yeah, who could dream with him say be a Nipano cry, be a one underestimate one as our far cry, be there, be a own, be a son and Nipane dream. Until later, I be more for Nipano, Benyatimo come and baby crying your son or dream. Yeah, so what try when ya, what try the options when ya, or the Koswana, you would dear no. If you believe, say you are doing a good one and a good job, the Koswana, a man of Sona said, Nameka say, yeah, time near, cause. Untimi free precope, the Bamaka Juma say 10 year qua, Untimi free 0 and 7. Obesa Baba be 1 Untimi free 1 and 7. Obaba be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inti Sanyamaya Domina say, oh, ye be Biaka Cranka, you are not getting, I mean, the A-list artists and as a big, and you to phone on your song. How would they just keep on? Yeah, because almost they were once like us. Yeah, Family was once like me, Sarko was once like me, Jay-Z was once like me, Omunya no Mutisame, I know Mutimi Omania, and almost do level. So I just said, so me, yeah, it's possible to inspiration, Mami. So, yeah.
Kojo, me that say, me back na me do about baby, but my member, my listeners, and feel bibi kakra, ewo ahanu say.
Baby, I D. Obiatie, Katakyie 90.9 FM. DJ Fie.
Let me go in my body count before some show, baby. I see a fine baby. Some shining in my, now me come team sabi and me penny. My royalty, baby. Yeah, me come baba nice, so be anybody with me. What she. I see your chima me so. Babylon, because you are dreaming me so. Aketesia, sister, I am a man, I say. I got me some falling, far behind.
Maybe I will be Katakyiefm 90.9 FM in DJ Fie.
Yes, indeed, Akɛtɛsia Zezeria. Why am I margin and I say, Nan come some in falling and so soon. You my DJ Toski, you know what to no. I was watching that video COVID. I said, what to you, no, my girl, no, DJ Toski, your guest friend, favorite DJ. Oh boy, you know, you go for guys who program us. Toski would not have fun. Why for us? I have body all the man. Why you them? Original. Cojo Rae Aketesia, come on. 0594212823. 0594212823. We are supporting our own. So what I said, nay, ukwala. We got to say ukwala. Muslim watching that toss what you know so wa film premium in the the 27th day of August 2025. If you drive show Christian and Safoni, what is off to be and camp. And that day, I Cojo and I didn't come on. I didn't come over, baby. Wow, once so I feel now, and your marketing to be a man, a bamboo abba. You tosk your bonumana, Nemfa, who program as Okoboy and a manager of. Now, should there be a no complaint, and said Toski, I would tell you about fine. And they were G, or show no man 2,005 on my. I know Toski go show Bizo between and Kate in the city of Femi, our godfather. Now, I think I will power, but what time say? We will from show where there's over me eating the city. I may a credit, and I'm saying, maybe Namu Papa Kramiju, Majini James. Now, I to talk a cracker. Was a wing. DJ Toski, and is a party maker. I am the party maker. Me and my partner, the whole Bible community. 0594212823. 0594212823. And I could go out and say, yes, she fan girl be a compia so let me see for ma. Be she fan girl because I ne. Or you have them shows so dear Jack. I be superstar. So me be did in the home. Toski ni Kevin Moody did me the home and ne. Mizumi go did Cojo di home. Love to the honor that they didn't know did home with that. And you know, me be a on one as I didn't have the order that. Katakyiefm 90.9 FM 39 minutes past now the hour 5. 0594212823. 0594212823. Kevin mun check lines and mama watina in shadi no say. Kojo
Baba
Kojo me un video bi me jawa mo akor me say o time no sha ma twon kobo ye bosu mini ne menya wo.
Nya hwe.
Me un video bi ana amauga kusia amauga ase one Mr Voice money team be great na omo promote song ne pa one amauga relationship in it is just a music you and I say you have that strong vibe.
Okay, me amauga the I think say music relationship, meaning any personal relationship.
Okay, but you may so call a biaba home, mommy, and anything come on. Hello? Good evening. What am I doing with Akɛtɛsia?
Good evening.
Great. Would you be Akɛtɛsia?
Yes, I'm
Kevin, Monya Diri, Mamma, Dabi, Meba, Jinasu Mame. Jinasu Mame, Meba. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Great. Marinti, would you be Akɛtɛsia?
Yes, I'm Accra.
Nice one. Accra, not just over life.
Yes.
More fire. Super, Mami Tio.
Yeah, me, could you not mention and I may share on that? But Makatan said the world to no one more than on Brennan Wasi.
Okay.
That industry is only said a more day.
Yes.
You know, money in Dini Mabianco for Bekenchi. Home sending him on your door.
Great.
Now, on Fao Bones on Nancy.
Yes.
On respect to the baby will do money or do baby. I'm money, and one who must show or perform them. Obrena Washa, Obaconi, sending out all Daddy Lumba, Daddy Lumba, and say, Oshana, someone who send a lot of Daddy Lumba, you can ask them number reply.
Yes.
What's a crowd here? She on fast as you bind the answer.
Okay.
You began to Baba responded. And I'm bringing the carrier down. But you keep on, we are behind you, okay?
Medasi for that. Bless up.
Nice one, Baba. Yeah, that's it. I can't for you now. The Mugina must say more here. 0594 0594 212823 0594 212823. Could you? Sorry, not one who's who can say about we need Mauga.
Yeah.
Yes, a music na you don't have any personal relationship bia say
your relationship but anye say also ubetimi no be friends but na mo share anya friends say them can one sure. Yeah, but also we me musical league and you be or akomapa because I remember say me of me Sunday you man I think so after before a week I know the in the verse na breme so mo walk on no test me say we should be with a yeah bia see I'm pull up man na so me call na me cause support so you that love no yeah
wow great but you me jaw mo akono fans viewers we supporters then as to this far baby I'll be member menkwa humanu sombra. Hello
Bigstar DJ.
Yes super didn't maybe I got free
only them so me the word play.
Nice one. And I Cojo Hanum say ono Cojo nim komo
Bigstar only baby say like shaggy go to am imagine that so na idea in fact
wow
the stomach can take Cojo oh, I'm like on Sunday, I'm meeting some again. What is
ciao?
And you do Bigstar.
What a chagrin I am fat.
Again,
baby.
Oh, you will be back to one move.
Oh, we budget you.
And there you go.
Your friend say,
and the Bigstar with your
nice one. Great. Yes. More fire, I mentioned that's a pa na mekaya namon Jimmy, so could you know, comfort you can forget. Mr. Emperor say, would no get Nama,
fast cry.
Quite Toski Sunam Swan 0594212823 0594212823. Could you? Fans, then I'll be catching.
Okay, Obibia would see me. And come on, Yedi Bebre, Edini Cojo Rae, Cojo Rae. Na me pesa me da me fans, Bebre nas, Munina, more supporting, more streaming menyom. Obi de wonyom, obi de menyom my ringtone, obi chitro, de biano, bo prag, ya for abubu ya for. I mean, baby, I'll be fabi and pa baby na bonyomonum. Me who all those things are many Japan and people feel like baby I knew me doing me who sa mano me appreciate it because it's no easy.
Yes.
And supporting a musho me no mon koswa na mo say oh mami. And maybe this is the first time maybe I would say me Medini Cojo Rae menyomono out on baby or streaming platforms so bit much the current song Akɛtɛsia Jiwo baby on to support and so big ups to Bigstar and I'm sure big up to Q Nina DJ Toski I'm sure most of my supporting from day one Mugusa mo supporting Yamanya Kasipa. Yeah, shouts to Last Hero.
Yes.
Shouts to Rocky, my business manager, Big Shark. Shouts to him, Director Kai. Big ups to my team, Love Team Alone, Kobe Ayama, Sexy Don Don. Big ups to Owas Boys in Yanamichem. And shout out to Media Chama Bob. Shout out to Director Vision, Ubia, more support. I mean, keep supporting. Yeah, shout out to Chisa. I'm a guy, but a huge more time. Yes. Chisa, Nidino, no. Meaning the same school.
Okay.
Yeah, was or MG.
Okay. Great. I don't come to sound on one some Akɛtɛsia no also be an because
chase idea or you'll be a opinion.
Okay.
You will school me now like also you'll be a sebi or disabled kakra in 90 to future but style will be see out so your man like once in your money that moment now you feel like wow so upon what your man pa chase self big up to him Yamisha no nyanikes a belinki
okay. Kojo last words what that will be asking your friends unuya no mo so afi no mo ba bambu na ba was why am fa obonum na mfa nyina radio yi nyizo Kevin ya na mfa inya kukuduro te se fa on
fa baba unjindi
amene ya boafo
fa on god
mo that's baby e dey na wo ka che wo mo
okay Dibia meka adibia ni ho awoye na se wonim say you are doing the right thing na wo koso na wo ye no one give you up I be rem
great
then if you are doing the right thing we na so fa won say oh maybe you are not doing something right because when him say dem ye na no be na we but we sound say dey na we dey no e kwa me dey nko it means say there's something missing so just keep on learning doing new things man your mom hu now adibia won say we are big you watch so be
okay
because ebeboa ebeboa bebre and one thing is say keep it real
great
keep it real people will love you for who you are yen real oh me performance me picking promise asem but enkoye bibia me can say it's the same thing or something just be different keep it real wow be yourself I think say no one me so just keep it real that's what I can say
Lefty me ko on kasa on kai
on dey obaji wo ono obaji wo
ayere
word ba could be 50 cedis
o ka ba could be
nti imagine say obe on Akɛtɛsia sisi aka what the car off Lefty achin hu
Tupa so de ne poka buka du na kata
de ono de
ori poka buka du ori ne poka buka du na kata ti great Kojo mirase Yamisha baby no nyo kesi
amen
ya fast that's so international event on the call media no so on YouTube Katakyiefm FM TV mo hwe nyina Yamisha mo nyina no nyemu nyina mo kese Cojo Rae TikTok live no ma mo wosu nyina me say mo mama YouTube Katakyie FM TV Katakyie FM TV yes mo me subscribe my kama pa na bibia enya fan pa atuma so Akɛtɛsia Bigstar DJ eni ena me ne Kojo ena di nkomo on ofie drive show Akɛtɛsia yansa 14 tipin oten enka DJ Toski warum say DJ Kelvin ewa hanum say love to buy yes the antis and the chatters and the tatters mine by Osha one corner international one Jawa Harum say international event Abuami ye pa yes my executive producer no be adwuma ni nyina ma me kama pa na je se bibia anko so medame ho aba na che se yere dia aka nyina aba be wiwi tipen Kojo asore esirasema na azin shirasem be na wo kan twato de amano na yenko wakani
ya ba ko
yes
on fa hon brase e de mi atwende watro mona di kan pie
yes
o ma hantan ro fa ya ye pija wo ya e bo ni ya be sa bro was
yes
e Yesu Kristo ba wias sana usana asawa isa ko ni crucify him enkunu anka ye wo ho Barnabas was en ki kunu so na na e pe Kristo on kan she ni timi say ye na ye pian ya na be sa atwede ma ho brase enumu no kon ko to dwan bia akwa so sera ma ho brase ho
okay
e de ne ko
okay
e suma de ne nam da e chi ne so wutia bo se suma ne de e chi na no de ho ma de nyumo ne kona no de domra ne ho ase o kwa chense yi e de ohun ne se e be hia bi onu ana ma se asense on pem fa me ye so mo bento bo din no signal se fa me be to ayi no so be sa komo pa mo Peter metoso suma na no de efa
okay nice one tibe ni me da se nyame insha bebre na onyo kesi emfa emmame
Baby, I D. Obiachi, Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
Sure, baby. Let me go in my body count before some sure, baby. She a fine baby. Some shining in my. Now me come team side, and me penny. My royal lady, baby. Yeah, me come baba nice, so be anybody with me. Wechi. Cause you chima me soga. Babylon, bro. Cause you chima me soga. Akɛtɛsia, say the way I'm a madina say. I got me say
Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
It's in my Jimmy, Akɛtɛsia. Say the way I'm a madina say. I got me say falling, Swabia.
Katakyiefm 90.9 FM.
Yes, my yes, forget the casa, barbecue ticket, and the visa. Holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me, go so, for to name you, some number one, see, come, tell them a trash show. Miss if I me go so, for to name you, some number one, see, come, tell them a trash show. My royal lady,
Baby, I D. Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm. Baby, I D. Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
She a fine baby. Some shining in my.
Baby, I D. Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
Baby, yeah, me come baba nice, so be anybody with me. Wechi. Cause you chima me soga. Babylon, bro. Cause you chima me soga. Akɛtɛsia, say the way I'm a madina say. I got me say falling, Swabia day. I'm a dimata when you say my boy say come here was it's in my Jimmy,
Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
I'm a dimata when you say my boy say come here was it's in my Jimmy, yes, my yes, forget the casa, barbecue ticket, and the visa. Holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me, go so, for to name you, some number one, see, come, tell them a trash show. Miss if I me go so, for to name you, some number one, see, come, tell them a trash show. My royal lady, baby, yeah, me come baba nice, so be anybody with me. Wechi. Cause you chima me soga. Babylon, bro. Cause you chima me soga. Akɛtɛsia, say the way I'm a madina say. I got me say falling, Swabia day. I'm a dimata when you see my boy say come here was it's in my Jimmy, Akɛtɛsia. Say the way I'm a madina say.
Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
Forget the casa, barbecue ticket, and the visa. Holidays for Dubai, but before that, for me go so, but when I do something the wild, see come tell them a trash show.
Oh, and don't forget that Bigstar made this classy.
Baby, I D. Obiachi, Katakyiefm 90.9 FM. Katakyiefm.
Sure, baby. Let me go in me body count. Before some sure, baby.